Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headset mic not working on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to search and search for sound settings. Then from best matches, just open up sound settings. Then in here, just scroll down a bit. And here, make sure your input device is selected to the right mic. And inside volume, you can see right here, my volume is picking up. So I have selected the right mic. Just make sure you have clicked on the right device. And after that, what you can do is just search for microphone privacy. And you'll find microphone privacy settings. Just open this. And from here, under microphone access, make sure it is turned on. Also make sure let apps access your microphone is also turned on. And make sure the apps that you're gonna be using have microphone access. For example, it's off for camera, snipping tool, and it is on for WhatsApp, Premiere Pro, and everything. So just make sure your settings are proper here. Make sure the apps that require your mic are turned on and the apps that don't require your mic are turned off. After that, just close this. After that, just right click here on the audio sign. Then just click on open sound settings. From here, scroll down and then just go to the more sound settings. You can close the background one. And from here, just go to recording. And from here, make sure your right mic is selected and it is your default device. If it's disabled, just right click on it and click on enable. Also just right click on it and click on properties. Then just go to levels and make sure you're set to a high level so that the audio is actually coming. And click on apply, click on OK. Alright. And even after that, if your microphone is not working, what you have to do is just go to your settings. From here, on the left hand menu, go to Windows Update. And just download the latest update of your Windows. And after that, just go ahead and restart your PC and hopefully your mic should be working. And basically that is how to fix headset mic not working on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.